Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a grocery store in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the store. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many dollars did Ken and Lily save today? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Ken, look at this. I found the weekly ad for the store.
The weekly ad? What is that exactly?
It's a paper from the store. It shows all the sale items for this week.
Oh, nice. So we can see what's cheap before we go.
Exactly. Some people check it on their phone now, but I like the paper.
Good idea. I never really look at these before I shop.
Well, today we should. I want to try something new.
What's that?
Let's set a goal. I think we can save $20 today.
$20? That sounds like a lot for one shopping trip.
I think we can do it if we use coupons and look for sale prices.
Okay, I'm ready. Where do we start?
First, let's look at the weekly ad together and circle the good deals.
This orange juice is on sale. And look, there's a coupon for the same brand.
Perfect. If we use both, we save even more money.
I didn't know you could use a sale price and a coupon at the same time.
At this store, we can use a coupon on a sale item. Some stores also let people use two kinds of coupons together. That is called coupon stacking.
Stacking? I like that word.
It just means using more than one discount on one item.
This is like a small game. Let's see how much we can win.
I like that idea. Let's grab our bags and go.
Should we bring the paper with us?
Yes, and I have a few coupons in my bag, too.
Usually I just buy what I need and don't think about the price much.
That's very common. A lot of people shop that way every day.
But I want to try your way today. It sounds smart.
Great. Let's also look for coupons on the store app.
I didn't know the store had an app.
Yes, and sometimes it has coupons you can't find on paper.
I'll download it right now on my phone.
Perfect. Now we have two ways to find deals.
Great. $20, here we come.
I really hope we save even more than that.
Let's find out. I'm excited now.
Hello there. Welcome to the store. Do you have a rewards card with us?
No, I don't. What is that exactly?
It's free, and you get extra coupons when you use it.
Free? That sounds great. How do I get one?
You just need your name, your email, and a phone number. It only takes a minute.
Okay, let me get my phone out.
You can also get a card right here on this small screen if you like.
Oh, that's easy. What kind of coupons do I get with the card?
At this store, we look at what you buy and send coupons for those items.
So, if I always buy coffee, I might get a coupon for coffee.
Exactly. And sometimes you get coupons for new products, too.
How often do the coupons come?
New ones come every week, right to your email or your phone.
That's a lot of coupons. It's hard to remember all of them.
Don't worry. The app keeps them all in one place for you.
Oh, that makes it much easier.
You just show your phone at checkout and it takes off the discount.
I like that. No paper to lose.
Some people still like paper coupons too, and that's fine as well.
I might use both so I do not miss any savings.
That's a smart plan. Many of our shoppers do the same thing.
That's really helpful. Do I need to bring the card every time?
You can show the card, or the cashier can just use your phone number.
Perfect. That makes it simple.
Here is your new card. Welcome to the store family.
Thank you so much. This will help me save money today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
One more question. Are there any big sales this week?
Yes, there's a big sale on cereal and pasta. It's near the front of the store.
Perfect. That's where we're going next.
Have a great day, and don't forget to use your new card at checkout.
I will. Thanks again for your help. Lily, look at this. 2 boxes of cereal, but different prices.
Which one is cheaper?
This name brand cereal is $4. The store brand is $2.
Let's check the coupon. Does it work on both?
The coupon says $1 off the store brand cereal.
Then the store brand is only $1 with the coupon.
Wow, that's a huge difference for almost the same cereal.
I always try the store brand first. It's usually just as good.
Does it taste different from the brand name one?
Not really. Sometimes the store brand is made in the same factory.
Really? I never knew that.
My mom taught me that trick years ago, and I never forgot it.
That's a great tip. I'll remember it too.
Now, let's look at this bag of sugar.
This bag is small but expensive. Is there a bigger one?
Yes, right here, and it has a better price for the amount.
Good. Let's grab that one instead. This cereal too. Let's put it in the cart.
Great choice. Now let's look at the pasta.
There's a big sign here. It says BOGO in huge letters.
Oh, BOGO. That means buy one, get one.
What does that mean exactly?
If you buy one box, you get a second box free.
So 2 boxes for the price of 1.
Yes, exactly. It's a really common sale here.
That's easy to remember. Let's get 2 boxes of pasta then.
We already have a coupon for pasta sauce, too.
Perfect. Pasta and sauce together tonight.
There's another BOGO sign over there on the canned soup.
Let's check that too. We eat soup a lot in winter.
Good idea. 2 cans for the price of 1 is a great deal.
This aisle alone is saving us a lot of money.
This shopping trip is going really well so far.
I think we're getting closer to our goal.
We still have a little way to go, but we're doing great. Let's keep going and check the next aisle.
I'm having more fun with this than I thought.
Shopping smart can actually be fun.
Now, let's take a short break here. We're going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is coupon, meaning a small paper that gives you a discount. For example, I have a coupon for orange juice. The second word is discount, meaning a lower price than the usual price. For example, we got a big discount today. The third word is cashier, meaning a person who takes your money at a store. For example, the cashier said, "Thank you for shopping." The fourth word is receipt, meaning a paper that shows what you bought. For example, please keep your receipt safe. The fifth word is bargain, meaning something you buy for a very good price. For example, this cereal was a great bargain. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the grocery store.
Excuse me, I'm looking for this frozen pizza. It was in the sale ad.
Let me check. Oh, I'm sorry. We're out of that one right now.
Oh no, I really wanted to use my coupon on it.
Don't worry, I can give you a rain check for it.
A rain check? What is that?
It's a small paper. You can use it later, even after the sale ends.
So I can still buy it at the sale price next week?
Yes, exactly. Just bring this paper to the checkout.
That's really helpful. I was worried I would miss the deal.
We get new boxes on Tuesday. You can come back then.
Do sale items run out often?
It happens sometimes, especially on the first day of a big sale.
I see. A lot of people must want the same deal.
Exactly. Some people even come early in the morning for good sales.
I should remember that for next time.
A rain check is our way of keeping things fair for everyone.
That's a nice system. I'm glad you told me about it.
We want our shoppers to be happy, even when we run out.
Great. I'll come back on Tuesday.
Do you want a rain check for anything else in this section?
Actually, yes. The ice cream on the ad was sold out too.
Let me write you a second rain check for that one.
Thank you. Now I feel much better about missing those 2 items.
Here are your rain checks. They both have today's date and the sale price.
Thank you so much. This is a new word for me, rain check.
Many stores use this system when they run out of a sale item.
I'll remember that from now on.
Do you need anything else from the frozen section?
Yes, do you have any frozen vegetables on sale?
Yes, right here. Green beans and corn are both on sale this week.
I'll take 2 bags of each, please.
Great choice. Those go really well with dinner.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your shopping.
Look at this milk. There's a small size and a big size.
Which one is cheaper?
The big bottle is $5 for 8 cups. The small bottle is $2 for 4 cups.
The big one seems like a better deal at first sight.
Wait, look at this small number under the price. It says unit price.
What does that mean?
It tells us the real cost for each cup.
So we can compare them the right way?
Exactly. The small bottle is $2 for 4 cups, so that's 50 cents per cup. The large bottle is $5 for 8 cups. That's about 62 cents per cup, a little more than the small one.
Really? I never noticed that number before.
Me too. It's easy to miss, but it's very useful.
Where do stores usually put the unit price?
At this store, it is on the small price label on the shelf, next to the regular price.
I'll look for it every time from now on.
It's a small habit, but it really helps you save money.
I want to check the eggs too, using this same trick.
Good idea. Let's compare the small box of eggs and the big box of eggs.
The big box of eggs looks like the better price per egg.
You're right. Let's grab the big one this time.
I want to check the yogurt too before we finish this aisle.
Good idea. There are so many kinds here.
Let's just compare the unit price again, like we did before.
This one has the lowest number. Let's take that one.
So for us, the small milk is the smarter choice this time.
Right, because we don't drink that much milk anyway.
Good thinking. Let's check the cheese too.
This cheese has a coupon and it's also on sale this week.
That's a great deal then. Let's add it to the cart.
I think we're already past $10 in savings.
Really? Let's keep track as we go.
With the cereal, the pasta, and now this milk and cheese, our savings are growing quickly.
I'm excited to see the final number at checkout.
Me too. I think we might reach our goal soon.
Or maybe even pass it. Let's finish the list and find out.
One more stop and then we're ready to check out. That's everything. Let's use the self-checkout machines so we can watch the total together.
Good idea. I want to see every coupon come off the price.
Let's put it all here in front of the screen.
I'm nervous. Let's see how much we saved today.
Okay, scanning the cereal now. And there's the coupon.
Nice! The screen shows how much we saved.
The BOGO price worked too. Look at that discount.
This is exciting. Let's keep going.
Milk, cheese, and the frozen vegetables are all scanned now.
Almost finished. I can't wait to see the receipt.
Don't forget the rain checks. We can use them another day.
I already put them in my wallet, right where I'll remember them.
Good. We don't want to lose those papers.
The rewards card discounts are showing on the screen too.
Look, this cheese coupon took off almost $2 by itself.
This trip is going even better than I hoped.
Okay, that's the last item. Let's pay now.
Here is the receipt. Let's read it together.
It says total savings right here at the bottom.
What does it say? I'm too nervous to look.
$28. We saved $28 today.
28? That's so much more than our goal of 20.
I can't believe it. The coupons and the rewards card really helped.
And the rain checks too. Those will save us even more later.
This was a great shopping trip. I learned a lot today.
Me too. I really want to shop like this every week now.
We even got 2 rain checks for next time.
True. Those rain checks can help us get the sale prices later.
I think checking the weekly ad first helped us the most.
And the rewards card helped a lot too.
I'm glad I asked Grace about it at the entrance.
I'm glad we tried comparing unit prices in the dairy aisle too.
Let's make sure the rain checks stay safe until next time.
They're right here in my wallet, safe and sound.
$28. I'm really happy with that.
I think we make a really good team.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many dollars did Ken and Lily save today? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.